Okay, this is it. It's moving day. Got the new car, new house, new me. Hi, baby. Hi. Got all the stuff loaded in. Thank God this car's just almost as big as the old car. We'll see you inside. Okay, so this is, when you come in, there is a closet right here. Maybe I should do like that. Closet right here. You got the kitchen to the left. A nice island table with a bar area. I love the kitchen. This is the AC. This is pantries. Baby's on the floor, so she's crying. I love that I have these high ceilings. It just gives it a nice grand entrance. This is the living room. It comes with fans. Baby's on the floor. This is a room, so I'm gonna make it work with the three of us. I'm thinking of putting her crib right here. And then Mila's gonna have her bed and my bed. You know, we're gonna make this work, okay? Because this unit would cost like $7,000 if there were 2 bedrooms. Hi. This is the master bath. So we got 2 sinks, which is awesome. We got a really cool tub. You wanna come with mommy? I'm sorry. Come with mommy, you're so cute. I'm so cute. Yeah, she scratched herself. She was playing, hold on. Was playing on the floor, but now she was complaining. She started complaining. Okay, so we got this, and we have this nice big old closet here. This nice walk-in. So I'll be able to hang a lot of stuff. In here is the laundry. We got the laundry inside the bathroom, which is pretty cool. Got a nice new washer and dryer. And yeah, we got the view of the pool. And that's pretty much it. It's just a 1-bedroom with high ceilings. And the really cool thing about this apartment is that it is a smart apartment. So everything is through an app. I can control things through an app. And the locks are it's just a very high-tech place, and that is what makes this place bougie. It's just a really high-tech place, which is why I really like it. And then they have the washer. I haven't done any of the apps yet, so we'll see. But this is the empty house tour, you guys. Hope you like it. I'll do what's it called? A decorate, or I don't want to say decorate, but furnish, because it probably might take some time for me to actually like decorate it how I really want it. But I do have furniture, so I will put the furniture in, and I'll do a furnished home tour, and then I'll do a decorate with me or something like that. Maybe I'll make a whole series out of this fun project. Oh my goodness, I'm so short. Yeah, you're so cute. Yeah, mama. Okay. Woo, woo, woo. We're so excited. We're so excited. So my aunt and I just finished bringing some stuff in, and I'm really tired, as you can tell. Got the baby's playpen. I got a couple of things here. Mostly personal stuff that's in here, like clothes. I'm gonna reorganize that and have some of my toiletries. So we are gonna call it a night tonight. I am gonna go to Ross. Actually, no, I'm not calling it a night. We're gonna go to Ross and pick up more stuff for the kitchen. Trying not to spend like crazy amounts of money on stuff for the house. I already have furniture, which will be coming tomorrow. And it's old furniture from me and Jay's old house. So he still has it in his house right now. And figured that I can use it because I really like it. The only thing that I'm gonna get new is a new couch, probably. I already have like beds and everything. So I'm just gonna get a new couch and a bed for Mila. And that's actually pretty much it. And then I'm just gonna kind of like figure it out with decorations as I go and just kind of make it like a fun project. So yeah, we'll see you at Ross. Day 2 of moving. And I have this playpen that I decided I'm going to return because it took up like half of this space. Way too big. I do have my dresser here, the bed's coming in. Really excited about all of this. I'll keep you posted. So I got a bunch of stuff here from Home Goods and some from Ross. And instead of sitting down and doing a haul, which sometimes I can find a little bit, excuse me, which sometimes I can find a little repetitive and boring, I'm going to have my house all set up and then I'll kind of do like a decorate with me or something, or just have everything already set up and then show you what I got from here. So we'll see. I'll see. All right. All right. I was originally going to get a blush colored or a black one, but I just like the white shower curtain. It just looks more luxurious and clean. But for the accessories, I'm going to be doing different colors, more earth tones. Okay, this is the reality. Mila's in school and this is what my mess looks like. This is how you know you're just moving in. I haven't had a chance to really organize because both of the girls have been sick and so have I. And Mila recovered finally, so she's in school. And yeah, anyway, just gonna show you what it really looks like, but I will continue updating on this move-in vlog. So let me just get my life together right now. See ya. So for my place, I'm going to be doing a lot of earth tones and a lot of natural elements. I'm just over the whole white, black, and gray aesthetic, and it's just kind of bland, and I need some life and liveliness